Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. After we making some profit with the pound yen time frame 5 minutes as usually we are using this time frame. Now we have some minus to KBP pound dollar and euro dollar. This is the hedge position guys. So I'm hedging this position and currently I'm when I hedge my position I'm not hedging in a pair, but rather than hedging one pair I'm hedging the with the another price. So I mean hedge with the cross pair. Okay, the pound like this one, pound dollar hedge with the euro dollar, and then the pound yen hedging with the euro yen. Okay, this probably yeah, maybe we can say that this is new some for some trader that must be thinking that euro dollar is very slow for moving up or moving down, but I don't care with that because for me, euro dollar it's only for locking my position in pound dollar, locking by euro dollar. So even euro dollar is not big enough for moving, even going up or going down, but and very different with the pound dollar. Look at this one. The pound dollar is currently uh, very wide for today. The moving for pound dollar, we have higher and lower for about the range today is for about 67. Yes, almost maybe you can say that almost the same with this area, but as once again that euro dollar and pound dollar have slightly uh, range for daily range. Okay, uh, so the question is, if we want to trying for buying, we have to see the buying or selling. We have to see the pound. Okay, the pound dollar. It's very important because the pound dollar is the key level. You have some key. This is the key level for pound dollar. If we want to buy and selling, no matter what will happen with the euro, we don't care about the moving of the euro dollar, but we very carefully to see the pound dollar as the you know the base of open position. Okay, what I mean with that is uh, if we trying for buying euro pound dollar, so we have to sell euro dollar. Okay, if we want to selling pound dollar, then we have to buy euro dollar. Okay, we cannot both of this pair in the same direction. Okay, we must have uh, contra this direction. Okay, contradiction. What do I say with contra? This is the pound dollar. If we want to buy, and then the euro dollar must be selling. Okay, it must be have some different level with the uh, pound dollar. And then if we want pound dollar going down, so euro dollar we have to open buy. Okay, this is the how we trade. Okay, and yeah, sometimes uh, indicator just helping us to identify which area we have to buy or we have to selling. This one should be we buying at this area. We have to buy at this level, guys. This area we have to buy because the in the 1 hour 1 minute time frame, the pound is currently going up. Okay, so if we want to buy, then because this is the today we this morning we at the Asia session, so we have to waiting until London session open. Yeah, currently we make some profit today. If we want to close, then we have to minus 13. It doesn't matter, I think. We still have some profit for today. Okay, so and this is the same with this area. Okay, this is the same moving with the previous open position, but with the different different broker that I've used it. So look at this one. Yes, currently we have locking position at US sell stop euro dollar, and then pound dollar is already buying, and this is have some minus, still have some minus. Okay, so and what will happen if euro dollar and maybe pound dollar going down? So why we buying? Why I'm buying pound dollar? In my perspective, in my opinion, according to this indicator, it's telling me for buying. Okay, this indicator telling me to buy. That's why what I'm taking is only buying option. Buy, and not open buy if I have to. Because because the price is currently in the supporting level, so yeah, that is the reason why we have to buy. Okay, and then this is the same with uh, the pound yen. Okay, the pound yen, look at this one. We'll be waiting until it's reached some area, maybe at this level or maybe at this level. We have to buy the pound yen. Why? Because look at this one. The pound yen is currently has some supporting level. So if price going down, maybe a little bit like this one, we have to buy, and then what I'm expected is price going up as soon as possible. If we have buy at this level, this is the area for buying. So maybe we have some profit for about 90 pips maybe. But yeah, once again, we can change our level for hedging at this level. Okay, from this maybe 300 pips for hedging. Now we change our level for hedging 160 pips or 170 pips, because this one, the level for supporting is already changed from this low going up a little bit, so we have to change the level for hedging too. Okay, this one is currently have some area for hedging. We have to change, so if we trying maybe at this level, guys, maybe at this level we have to 120 pips for hedge position. Okay, so for me, as long as pair is above the support, what I'm thinking only how to buy, with in which level I have to buy. So, and that was the same when the price is below the resistance. Look at this one. When the price is currently below the resistance, what I'm thinking is only how to sell it. Okay, how to sell. We sell at this area, and then price little bit going up and then moving low again. we're not thinking for buying maybe, but I'm thinking how to selling, and which level I have to selling. If I'm wrong, then my position will be locking. No matter what, you can locking the pound yen with this currency. Oh, look at that. Selling in this area. So this is your area for sell for locking. Okay, if you wrong. So when you trade, when I'm trading, I'm using stop loss. If I don't like using stop loss, then I'm using the hedging position to lock this position to protect my open. No matter what, in every open position, I must have some locking area. No matter what, buying or selling, yes, I have a locking position. What if wrong? Then it doesn't matter we wrong, guys. We cannot predict the market. Why we have to afraid with the wrong position? We don't have to worry about that. Okay, because once again, we cannot predict the market, guys. Look at this one. Yeah, look at this one. This area is currently, look, you selling here, even you selling here. This one, you have to locking 210 pips, yeah, above, because locking, you must locking above the resistance line. Okay, you have to locking above the resistance line no matter what. And then how much pips you can get, how much money you can get. Look at this one. 300, easily 300. This is using 5 minutes. And when the price is going down, don't ever try to buy. Don't never try to think about the buy, how to buy, where I have to buy, where I have to buy, where I have to buy. No. When price is going down, you only thinking about how, where I have to selling, where I have to selling, where I have to selling. Especially using this indicator, you already know this one is resistant, and you should selling no matter what. Selling, 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 and selling. And when you open is not at the direction that you're thinking of. Look at this one. When the price is not like what you want, the price is, look at this, you hedge this one at this level. You're currently hedging 150 pips more, but so you have to not the buying, open with another buying, because yeah, this one will be 250 will be level for your hedge position. And then, and this profit for moving up, you have to close this minus 150, so you have to profit for about 200 maybe. Look at this area. Tada. Yeah, stop loss, hedging, locking 150, and then profit for about 270 pips. So we have profit for about 120 pips, our profit. This is the simple thing we can do, say, guys. And this is the simple we can do. Okay, so why we have to worry? Why we have to worry about wrong position? As long as price still in our favor for selling or for buying, then we have to selling and we have to buy. When we see any resistance at this level, we have a resistance, so we have to selling no matter what. We have to selling, 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 and selling. Thinking about selling, don't ever try to think about buying. So the most of trader, 95% trader falls or maybe losing the money, because when the price is going down, they only thinking about where I have to buy, buy, or maybe they open buy, another buy, another buy. So like this one December, when the price is going down, look, this price going down, retail trader must be thinking about buy. I buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. Okay, and that makes most of retail trader get some margin call. Okay, so look at this one. If you're thinking only for buying, look at this area, guys. Look at this area. You buy here, another buy, another buy, another buy, another buy, without protecting your open position, without protecting your buy. Look at this area. How much pips you have lost it? 190.28. So is going down to 100, yeah, 86.15 for what? 400 pips. Can you hold position for about minus for about 400 pips in one open? Once again, one open. And I don't think so. If retail trader must be open only one position, here we buy. No, they must be another open buy, another open buy, another open buy. They must be open like that. Okay, so the easy ways to do is using this indicator is we already know the trend at this area, at this level. We already know the trend. What we have to do is follow the trend, not follow what you're thinking. Once again, follow the trend, not follow what you're thinking. If you're thinking that the price going up, then you have to buy. And then when you're thinking price is going down, so waiting, you have to waiting. So it must be not the same with this level 4 thing, because the below we have some support, so we have to buy. No matter what, we have to buy. Okay guys, this is my WhatsApp number. And once again, I manage some account, guys. If you 62, this one 62. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. I manage some account with profit share for about 40% and 60%. 40% for me as trader and 60% is for you as your as my investor. And then this account is and the name of this account is yours, not mine. So only you can withdrawal and deposit. That simple is that. I only trading in your account, cannot to withdraw your money, and then the withdraw is your responsibility. With the average profit for daily is we can say 5%. Even we have sometimes only got some 1%, 2%, 3%, or sometimes we have some 0.5%, 0.5% daily sometimes. But most of my trading is my daily target is 5%. Like this one, we only have some 5% for targeting. Even we have some minus little bit, but I think it doesn't matter, guys. Okay, so we can edit more open later on after we have some view for another buying the pound dollar. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, have a nice day.